Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send BUSD from Bitrue to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with stablecoins like BUSD for low volatility transfers. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step guide to get this done quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need active accounts on both Bitrue and Gemini exchanges. Double check that you have BUSD in your Bitrue wallet. Remember, in 2025, crypto regulations might have tightened, so verify your balances and ensure you're using the correct network, like BEP2 or the latest Ethereum compatible one for BUSD. Also, keep an eye on transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the wallet section and select BUSD from your asset list. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Next, click on the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually straightforward, but take a moment to review any updated interfaces for 2025. Step 2. Enter the recipient details. You'll need to input your Gemini wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste the address directly from Gemini to avoid any typos that could send your funds into the void. Also, specify the amount of BUSD you want to send, and don't forget to check the minimum withdrawal limits, which might have changed by 2025. Step 3. Review and confirm the transaction. Bitrue will show you a summary, including fees and estimated arrival time. Once you're happy, hit confirm, but wait. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a must for security in today's crypto world. After submission, you'll get a transaction ID to track the progress. Finally, switch over to your Gemini account and monitor the deposits section. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it arrives, you're all set. Remember, if anything goes wrong, like a failed transfer, contact both exchanges' support teams promptly. There you have it. Sending BUSD from Bitrue to Gemini is easier than you think. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space, and I'll see you in the next one.